I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus ES350 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the exact replacement bulb for your specific Lexus ES350 model. It's crucial to work on a cool engine to prevent burns. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Begin by removing the three 10mm bolts that secure the front bumper cover near the headlight. Next, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well. This will give you better access to the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips. Once you have enough space, locate and disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the headlight unit. This step provides the necessary room to work on the bulb itself. With access gained, it's time for the bulb swap. Carefully twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing, then gently pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Ensure it feels snug. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your car's battery and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it functions correctly. Turn on your headlights and check both high and low beams. If everything looks good, reattach the electrical connector to the headlight unit and carefully secure the fender liner back into its original position. Finally, replace the three 10mm bolts for the bumper cover. You've successfully replaced your Lexus ES350 headlight bulb. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.